This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, prepare 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup each of granulated and brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Don't forget 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. Now let's mix our dough to perfection. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined, then fold in the chocolate chips. It's time to bake our delicious cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, ensuring they are spaced about 2 inches apart. This allows them to spread without touching. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. The centers should still look slightly soft when you remove them from the oven. Almost ready to enjoy? Let your freshly baked cookies cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes. This helps them set before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, store any remaining cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. Now, savor your warm, homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.